Started?
About to start it. Are we live? Let me sure. All right, season Atlanta.
Yo, 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 yo.
All right, should we? Alrighty, we are live.
Yes, yes, yes.
Bro, I'm looking bearish right now. I think ES gonna take out his data low. Good chat. What's good? What's good? What's good? We back. I couldn't figure out how to put Lanto's camera on this. Oh shit, my cover screen's on. Couldn't figure out how to put Lanto's camera on this, but we'll do it next time. But if you look at the market here, guys, we're super choppy, but this 5-minute gap here, we inverse this. I think data lows is possible on ES. There's low resistance liquidity built up, but we'll see. It depends if we come down out of here or not. I'm in sell 252. Yeah. 252 is a good target. I think I want to see ES kind of start violating this trend line. We'll be chilling. We shall see though. All right. Orlando, say something one more time. So check it out.
Yo.
Okay.
Bro, look at that 5-minute time frame.
I know, so chop. Chat, if you guys were in the stream earlier, you guys know we took this 5-minute inversion to the upside. Caught a really nice move, and now we're just kind of chopping since then. Still in that 5-minute gap now, but we'll see where it goes. We are live with Lanto. First duo stream in a while, but we'll be doing these more consistently.
Sir.
What do you think, Lanto? Are you bullish or bearish?
I'd like to still see higher, to be honest, but
Yeah.
it's been a slow downtrend.
Yeah, it has been. You don't have to pass it one day. I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Do you like interesting higher? I got chopped up today. I feel like today's like the first like bad New York day.
Yeah.
All month. But all month's been pretty good. Yeah, I agree. Post 10 a.m. has been pretty
Yeah,
shite.
the morning was good. As soon as we took those highs out, it's been ass.
Yeah, inside.
Are you guys green or red today on chat? Yeah, this low resistance liquidity is crazy on ES. If we start chopping under it, I'll look for sells. But other than that, kind of waiting around.
So tempted to take that little neckline break, because we've just been forming lower highs consistently versus putting the high. If we see price come up here and like that high we put at 1147, because we took like internal sell side there or internal buy side and came back down. If we come back up and mitigate that, I might jab that. But it's like price is just tough.
Chat, you guys can hear Lanto fine or no? Make sure you guys can hear him.
I might like to potentially take some and just have a tightest break even, just gonna have bad prices. But we are structuring out a bit more.
Yeah, we're respecting the trend line too. We got SMT at the lows again. We're about to get a break of structure here, so we'll see.
Just need the visual you showing. Go look at that. Potential trade.
Guys, we have a 5-minute break of structure here. This looks interesting. Doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, mine is trade here as a potential. And it's just I sent you the image, by the way. Have you look at it or show this trade?
Yeah,
it is a bit risky, to be honest, because it's not like a perfect imbalance entry, which is what I usually do, but it's like more of like a break of structure here. That's like entry. And I would shoot for like relatively close break even. This is looking good.
it is. Like, I kind of want to jab this.
The only thing I would say, and I can almost guarantee this, but I'm week content with it. We'd probably see a retracement. This trade probably deals some drawdown initially, then comes back up. Because usually off like the break of structures, it's like you see some type of retracement always. All right. I loved it. I'm gonna try it.
You jabbed it.
Yep. You know, I started using that from you, right? So you posted one day, and I was like, that actually sounds good. So I started saying,
Are you far from your mic, Lento?
a little bit, yeah. I can move it a little bit closer.
I can't hear you at all.
How about now?
That's better.
Okay.
Better.
Yeah, I'm a pretty tight break even off this trade. Just because of price, I'm just not going to deal with it today. There's gonna be some type of retracement here. I'm just betting that we don't trade past that swing low again.
Yeah, the one we made. I think anything lower than that. My air is like getting cooked. Let's go, Matt. Let's go. Let's go.
Matt's in the chat.
Does Lanto know my real name? No, it doesn't.
Mad at that?
Someone in the chat's asking for my real name. Oh, Desi
I don't
was
know.
my last name, so I guess it's my real name.
His name's Desi Desi. First name, last name. Desi Desi.
Desi.
Desi Deep Desi.
Desi. Seriously, bro.
Hopefully ES continues to hold strength here.
Dude, the amount of like, how long in the morning? The amount of freaking flips we saw.
Yeah.
Oh my, it was brutal.
Yeah, it was. For a second there, it looked like I was gonna pass high day. Like we were kind of like,
Yeah.
especially like around like 10:30. I was like, oh, we're probably gonna go past, but
Alright, good candle.
never.
If anyone's curious, my break even is 69.9.25.
This guy.
Just all I'm a little nervous about here is just price, just following through entirely. Just
Yeah.
make a move and just follow through.
Yeah, the 5 minute looks solid. ES is a lot stronger, bouncing off that trend line.
Bro, I quote traded trades by skis.
Oh my god, dude, you can't, bro. The people that follow him are the most brain dead people I've ever met in my life in
Dude,
trading, bro. Dead
listen.
ass.
I quoted it and I was like, if you believe this, you deserve to get scammed, because it was like a -$7 million P&L. It was like a
Yeah.
MetaTrader demo screenshot, and people in the like people were like commenting back to me, and they're like dead ass defending him.
I know,
Some guy
bro.
responded-
Dude. I'm telling you, the I don't know what brainwash that bro has done, dude, but they fucking love him, bro. It's actually insane.
What is some guy?
It's like
Some guy,
wild, bro.
some guy commented. He's like, "If you don't believe this, you deserve to be poor," or something like that. I'm like, bro.
I was like, you got it, bro.
Chat. Be honest. If you have the P&L fluctuation or the ability to have a $7 million realization on one trade, right, and be comfortably fine taking that loss, would you ever be on social media posting about that? Like, what does that, like, literally, like, what does that benefit you from? Like, what does that do? Because supposedly it doesn't sell courses either, right? Okay, so what's the point of you being on social media at all? To inspire people? Yeah, my ass.
Atlanta, your long is looking pretty good.
Got to continue up higher. NQ's looking better now. I don't like that. I'm on ES.
You're in ES?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
NQ is looking good.
Chat,
This
I'm
is
looking at
so-
L boyfriend, bro. I'm like, we're 4 days from Valentine's Day, and I'm looking for a Valentine's Day dinner, and everything's sold out. It's so over, dude.
That ass.
It's so over.
L.
The thing is, like, eating at high fancy restaurants isn't even like a special occasion these days. So it's like, dude, I don't know, bro. I'm L boyfriend right now. I'm not gonna lie. Dude, my lady got me so many gifts and shit, bro. I got her nothing. Like, literally, I'm talking about, I have nothing. Dude, like, packages kept coming in. I'm like, oh my god, these are all for me. And then 4 days later, I'm cooked, bro. I'm cooked, bro. This shit is done for, bro. I was dead ass about to go like find the most like cracked out hotel in San Diego and just spend the weekend there and call it a Valentine's. But that's so lazy, bro.
Bro, just on God, just like going on like a weekend vacation. Low
Bro,
key.
but I don't want to leave my house, bro. Like we've been
You
out
don't?
so much. I just got back. It's like, I mean, I don't mind.
Oh, that is true. You
That's
were
cool,
reminding me.
but,
Go on a cruise for a weekend? No? Nah.
my birthday sources, the cruise. Dude, I'm done. Like, I don't know.
Bro, when you live in Cali, it's so ass because everything it's so far.
Everything's booked, bro. Dude, I was okay, chat. So I found like this wine bar. It's like 5 minutes from here. Wine bar. It had a fixed tasting menu, whatever. As I'm putting my credit card information in on open table, it's sold out. I thought they're supposed to hold the table for you. Just order a bunch of flowers. No. I got a cracked ass flower bouquet. I can't wait for it to come in because like I'm actually excited to see it. But that's like the bare minimum, you know. Okay. I call the lady, the florist, right? And I'm like, Lanto, think about this, right? She's like, what's the budget, right?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, oh, like I think 1,000 would be cool, right? Bro, she literally maxed out the budget, bro. I thought, if I say 1,000, she was gonna give me like a $600 bouquet or something, like a 500, Dude, she fucking went over the price. It should cost $1,080. I'm like, she literally rinsed me. This shit better be worth it. I'm picking it up.
1,000 bands for flower. That's crazy.
Dude, I know, bro.
GG. Desi got it like that, chat. When you're making 10 mil a year like Desi, you got it like that.
And I asked what's good for like all the recommendations for restaurants, and then like he gives me all these recommendations. I still don't book until the last second. OG Broly, dude, my lady is the most like, she doesn't ask for anything. Like I've been telling her I have nothing for Valentine's. She's like, no, it's literally like don't worry about it. Who cares? Like it's fine. Like we're gonna spend time together. Like she's the most non-materialistic person, but I still feel bad.
Nah, you definitely gotta get her some. Don't let her like. You definitely gotta get her some.
I'm so cooked. All right, is it looking fair? It's fair value. Yeah, bro. I want to jab this low key. Like 2 fair value guys, so we'll mark out the entire area here. This actually looks pretty good for upside, guys. I don't mind this. I know Lanto's in. No, dude, Rob, she's in the chat right now. She doesn't care. Oh, ask the concierge to make you plans. Okay. Buyers.
Alright, we're tracing a little bit.
Yeah, I kind of
Hopefully
in the
it's-
5 minute gap. I want to.
NQ looks way better though. Oh, that's. He has a good off the point of entry, but NQ's looking better down.
There's 5 minute gaps here. This area needs to hold like above 40s.
NQ looks better.
Well, I asked for like the Michelin places, just not like I didn't ask for Valentine's this time, but I should have just used that same guy because like Jason made a list of all like the cool restaurants in LA and stuff. It's all jokes. He has things planned. Bro, who's gonna tell her I don't have shit planned besides one activity? Yes, that's true. All right, 5-minute gap still here. I want to see get a good reaction here.
Dude, it's actually pissing me off now. That's so annoying. We gotta see Divergence football going. Yes, let's get back to leading.
Jason, to be fair, I feel like the day kind of snuck up on me. We've been so busy lately.
Yeah, congrats on our pod that's coming out 2 years later.
Yeah, you're gonna look at my podcast. It's gonna be out, and Q's gonna be like at 47K.
Bro, dude, that's crazy. Funny. Your pods are coming out after GTA 6 comes out. It's crazy.
Yeah. No, you're actually right though. That's the funny part.
Unless they don't back, or unless they back it again. Bro, they've backed like 8 times.
You are actually right, Mike. Decision. This 5-minute gap. Just
gotta see price hold here. I like the structure, but definitely looks like NQ's holding a bit better.
Dude, what noise am I hearing? Like people talking. Unless I'm hearing myself.
I was feeling schizophrenic.
Bro,
bro's Randy Orton. Here's voices in his head. No, I'm kidding.
You're funny. Bro said I'm Randy Orton.
Yo, I don't know if you can hear me. My headset died.
Headset died. Chat, what's better, Lucid Pro or Lucid Black? I don't even. Lucid Black is pretty good in terms of like getting more of a payout, if that makes sense. But the Flex is fire.
Yeah. How can I hear you? Because my headset died. I'm gonna charge it for like 5 minutes. It'll be fine.
All right.
I don't know what to do here though.
All good. It's all good. Dude, what am I hearing? Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm tripping right now. God, it was myself on my TV. Bro, if you don't think Trades by Ski is a scammer, bro, you're so dumb. No trader is gonna hold $10 million, whatever the fuck it was, and draw down and like be fine, bro. Like this is, bro. If he was trading that size, Goldman Sachs would be all over him, bro.
To match out.
Like that shit is not happening. I'm not even trying to hate. It's just like using common sense. All right, ES starting to curl a little bit off the 5-minute. Super slow, guys. This PM session is not really it. So slow, chat. You put any extra weight in those 5-minute gaps since they're coming off a 1-hour gap on ES? Are you talking about which one are you talking about? Like this one? Yeah, it would kind of work like a 1-hour gap, 5-minute gap, and then break it down. But the thing is, we're not moving much, so like it's hard. But yes, it does add, basically adds confluence to the trade. Ideally, I like to see this push up into like near high day. But we'll see.
Yo,
You back?
Yeah, my headset died. I don't know if you saw the message, but yeah, my headset died.
Yeah, I heard you. We back though.
Yes. You jab anything or no?
I'm in long.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. So hopefully we both, hit TP. I think IQ looks a little bit better overall, to be honest. But hopefully they're just in sync. That'd be nice.
I want to see at least like 90s, 95s.
If you could ever see that 4-hour gap fill on ES at 70-10, that'd be perfect for my eyes.
Yeah.
Just gotta see price. Did you see that? YouTube comment. Someone said, "Can you tell me why you think Trades by Ski's a scammer? Have you connected with him? Remember, you didn't know him." And
wait, let me answer this. So you think his psychology is good in trading because he puts no real risk into a trade? So you think the psychology is good? I could sit here and be like, look, I'm up $20 million, guys. It's nothing. It's fine. Or I'm down $10 million. It's whatever. Like, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, if you've seen all his posts, that guy's probably up, quote unquote, up like 40-50 million this month or whatever. Like, dude, that is just not like, bro, use your brain. Like, all I gotta say is use your brain, dude. I'm not like, it just comes down to using your brain.
Dude,
if you really think that's true, bro, then
if he's doing those numbers that he says he's doing, like, he would be like scouted by the best hedge firms in the history of hedge firms.
Look, and you guys don't know this. There's real life prop firms in Chicago and other cities, big cities, that have real traders come in.
Yeah.
You start off with a certain amount and they give you more capital as you go. Why aren't they trading with these prop firms? Because they allow you to trade $300-400 million. If he's that good, right, he would be trading close to $1 billion and he could take a 30-40% split on whatever profits he makes. Why isn't he doing that?
He has a Lambo though, Desi. He's a Lambo, so must be real.
Like me, Lanto are getting scouted by those firms, and like we're in talks, right? And we're only going to start with 50K, and we pulled out millions and millions and millions of dollars from the market. So like, think about it. Like, it's just, come on, bro.
Yeah.
Just rain a little bit. All it is. It's he has a cult following too. I don't understand how he got it, but it's insane. It's sad that people believe that because it's just so unrealistic.
Dude, 7 million a day, bro. Come on, bro. You would not be on social media if that was real. Like, I don't, bro. Chad, you think big time, big equity traders, like at firms, like real deal, like in-person firms who manage large amount of money. You think they're going on Twitter posting that? Yeah, I'm down 7 mil today. Yeah, I'm down this. No, they don't care, bro. Because if you're at that point where it's that like scalable, or it's that volatile with your P&L, like no amount of money on social media can make you that money, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like nothing. There's really no point of him like literally being on. There's no point of him being on social media if he's making that or losing that much, consistently, right? There's no point of him being on social media. Literally none. And people are like, oh, he doesn't sell any courses. Well, there's some stuff there, but I don't know. Just to simplify, like chat, he could not sell courses, but like there's different ways he could make money off y'all. One, affiliation, which I don't think he does. But two, if he ever decides to sign with an offshore broker, he could have a percentage in the entire company's revenue off you guys losing money. So if you guys lose money off that offshore broker that he tells you guys to go and sign up with, he gets a cut of that. He's not selling you a course, but he's still making money off you.
Yeah, it's these Forex broker deals are insane, guys. It's like they're insane. If you ever see me trading a Forex broker, just know that I got paid like $200 million or some shit. You get a piece of the deposits, and you also get a piece of the losses and profits, all that good stuff.
Yes, yeah, a piece of everything for sure. So you guys just don't see it. I'm not saying you guys, by the way. Most people on Twitter, they just don't see it for how it is. They're just not informed enough. That's whatever. People are still gonna fall for it. $7 million. he posted a screenshot from MetaTrader, 7 mil down. Bad play. On to the next. Like, bro, get out of here, bro. 4x Furu 101 right there. If you guys know what IM Academy is, he'd be like the pinnacle of that. Chat. IM Academy. If you know what that is, I was 15 years old. My friend tried to put me onto that and literally scam me in high school as a freshman before I even got into trading. IM Academy, he'd be the pinnacle of that. Bro, chat, if you know anything about that way back before COVID, like, you know how many fucking frauds there were. He's just another one of them. I know, yeah. Do you know about that at all or no?
Yeah, I mean, you're telling me.
Dude, there used to be like Forex groups that would literally like it'd be a whole referral program. But like it was a pyramid scheme, and like your job was to refer people. And I almost got baited into it because it was my friend. It was one of my best friends. He's like, yeah, get into it. And then he eventually told me, he's like, yeah, I'm actually trying to just refer people. Because, chat, mistake me if I'm wrong, but wasn't it like you get referred into it, but if you don't refer 3 people at minimum, you get paid a fee every single month. So you have to refer those 3 people.
That's crazy.
So. Yeah.
Guys, so someone asked Michael Paddock on Twitter, do traders forfeit live reserves if the initial balance is blown? And he said yes.
It's okay, Kev, though. You're a live baller still. You know, that's okay. You know why? Because you're still a live baller.
Dude, this shit's fucking ass, bro. There's really no reason to run up anything, bro, on top. I'm not looking at the chart. Dude, I have the chart pulled up on both screens, in front of me and the left side.
Chat, you're still a live baller.
Balling like a ballon blanc.
It just got worse and worse and worse. It's not a good look for the industry either, because they're one of the top dogs. Because you know, if Protect's gonna do that, oh, Leech, he's gonna take that to the grave. Fucking do that shit too, bro. These CEOs just look to, you know, like usually in a competitive market chat in an industry, it's like who could top each other and like do something crazier and like progress. Now it's a game of regressions. Now it's like, okay, which CEOs are gonna do something that, you know, doesn't benefit the traders, and then all the other CEOs eventually do it with them. It's like so backwards. So backwards. All right, we'll come back up here a little bit.
Dude, Top Step is so fucking ass, dude. Where's Stonk at? He's sick. Juice step, shit step, bottom step, trash step, shit step, poop step, L step, garbage step, flop step, wash step.
I remember when Project X went down, and if you guys were there on like their Top Step Discord chat, bro, it was literally just like, it was like a Twitch stream chat.
I'm taking a picture of this.
If you're there, you're there, bro. Bro, so people were like posting messages in the chat. They're like, disputes incoming, and it's like them on a phone call.
Yo, I think Juice Step is the best. It's the best name, bro.
Juice Step.
That shit's so funny. Juice Step. Bro, people are not real. Yeah, that's what happened. Look, they got fucked by people trading silver and gold. People are making like $200,000 on one account. Everyone who got that crazy run probably got moved to live with max balance, and he blew it live. So Top Step was taking hits on hits on hits because they had to provide the 150k live capital. People are probably just blowing it. Jackson, because if you max out the like, because on a 150k account you could have a 150k live account, so people were like making 150k in one day. So like, I'm guessing it when they got moved over. But here's the issue. Look. Let me.
Dude, price better pick up, bro.
Let's check this out. Where's the other thing?
Oh, 15. 15. Dude, 15 cons on silver. I mean, NQ's already crazy on an account like that.
You know, one tick blows your account with that size.
That ass?
Yeah. So people were like bottom taking 10 minis. It was insane. Like I'm talking about literally 0 drawdown.
How the fuck? See, that's degenerate as fuck.
All right, let me chat. Hold up. I'll go back to the chart, but
I get the approach with taking metals off. Like I get that with firms. Apex did the same thing. I think TPT is probably do the same thing as well. I get that chat because it's just too volatile. Like trading mini metals, or minis on metals, it's just too volatile. I get that, bro. But like Top Step doing what they're doing with the live account, like that just makes no sense. Like what that came out of left field.
yeah. I'm gonna pull up the. Oh, right here. This is the fucked up part right here. The shoulder tap express funded account, bro. This is the most dumb, stupid shit I've ever said in my life. Because not only are they fucking you on the live account, they're also breathing down your neck. TPT, yeah, it's $4,500 drawdown, but they don't give a fuck on what you do with that account. These guys, if you blow like 30% of your account or whatever, they put you on a shoulder tap express account or some shit. Like, what the fuck does that mean? Like they're gonna put you back into XFA because you went down 30% of drawdown. Bro, 30% drawdown on like a 10K account is so easy to do, bro. Like, dude, this makes no sense, bro. If you guys truly read this, and I think people haven't, look at this shit. How long do I, bro, what? Me as a trader, what stopping me from going to a live, purposely blowing half the accounts to go back to an XFA to getting 5 payouts? We're pumping though, chat.
Correct. I'm moving my break even a bit higher, to be honest, because I like the uptrend. It's just been very up and down. My break even now is 7002.75. Are we gonna cook this PM with this dog shit price?
Low key?
What's your target, high day?
Yeah.
Everyone come back. Bro, I had like bro, today's AM trade was so brutal. If we displace aggressively, has highs, I might move that TP1 from that 4-hour gap fill to that hourly internal high and just trail tightly. I might look for higher, to be honest, because I think, dude, for me, higher time frame wise, at least like through the hourly and 4-hour, it looks really bullish to me, because the 4-hour and the hourly gap both got tapped on NQ and ES. So I'm really bullish. I think we could extend higher. It's just been taking its time. So what we want here is this hard displace. That would really override everything.
Especially above all these, like,
yeah.
This starts to lower this liquidity right here. Above like 400s.
What do you think? What I think is the best prop firm? I think it's take profit trader. Some people don't like take profit trader because some accounts have intraday drawdown. But the moment you get past that, like it's by far the best firm in the industry.
All right,
not even close. So,
yeah, TPT is fire, bro.
Their live account, it's literally like, I don't know how to say it, like, you know what I'm talking about? Like the live accounts, it's just like what it should be, and it's fair. It's fair, you know.
Yep.
That's what we want. It's just fairness. You don't want to be on a fucking firm like Top Step where they'll close your position out with the trail stops in place just because, oh yeah, we want this P&L. Like, bro, isn't that crazy? That happened to one of my boys. He was in a trade chat on Top Step. He had a trail stop which they claimed to be too wide, so they emailed him mid trade and told me, yeah, this is where we'll stop you out or trail you out instead of here. I'm like, bro, that's like the most. Yeah, I don't even know.
Frustrating.
So imagine being mid trade and someone else determining how your system is.
That's just so messed up.
I might stop at BE at 60. Probably gonna get hit.
I'm about this right now. Would you do 50? Would you do a 50K or 150K? I'd probably do 150K just because you want that versatility. Like there's gonna be times where the markets are really volatile and your stops have to be bigger points wise, and there's gonna be times where it's less volatile. So I'd rather just have that versatility. So I'd probably always say the 150Ks. Bigger the better, because you just have that versatility. Wasn't it a Tradify live that was breathing down her neck? No, that was alpha. That was alpha feature. That was really like, that really just ticked me off.
Alpha live account was a little interesting too. With the whole check system they do or whatever.
That's fine, because I went on a call with a guy. He talked about me. He talked to me, asked me about my like trading and what type of trader I am. That's fine. That's whatever. Which first time I took the trade on the accounts, the daily loss limit was 6K and I risked 2K on the trade, so 30%. And he closed me, the guy on the account, he closed me out mid trade. So I was long. I was in a bit of drawdown. Closed me out because he's, I don't know what we're doing here. Okay. And then the trade ends up coming back up and we ended up running like 200 plus points. And the accounts realized red on the day, I think. If I'm mistaken, I don't know if I took another trade. But they realized red when I would have been up like a 3-4R on the accounts day one. And I was like, okay, bro. Like,
yeah.
Like, dude, like, fuck out of here, bro. It's like, yeah.
It's annoying, bro.
So when you have an account, like, especially like Desi, Brian, like, when you're as experienced as we are, like, bro, like, we're not little kids. We're not newbies to trading. Like, we know what we're doing. Like, let us fucking trade. You know? Let us trade. It's really annoying when that happens. Like, they should know. The alpha guy is like, he should know. If we're qualified enough to get moved on a live account, like, we're definitely qualified enough to manage our own trades. Very slow. This is definitely a trade I could see where it ends up grinding the rest of the PM session, but at a very slow rate. So, like, expecting like a slow overall trend up with higher lows, you know, hard retracements, but just continuous upside over time. Because that's how the morning was, in my opinion. Yeah, but we're really 4 hours apart, bro.
Bro, it's what time is it for you?
Almost 2 p.m.
That's insane.
Yeah.
MP just said the 10K payout cap is a mistake, bro. Fuck MP, bro.
Dude, fuck it. Yo, put tech,
yo,
bro.
Can I like... Yo, isn't that false advertising? Dude, I literally did that just because... I did the consistency one line though, just so I can get the 10K payout cap.
Dude.
Bro, the dude's cooked, bro.
Dude, I don't know what, like, maybe they hired someone like internally in the team that like maybe got to Patek's head. He's so far off to what he used to be. Like, it's actually ridiculous.
He is.
He's so far off to what he used to be. He was always about fairness, this, that, and he was for the duration of Top Step, they were always very consistent. Even when they started installing like caps on payouts, it was whatever, because like it was still simple. Like, you still knew everything. Now it's just like, oh, when you get moved live, this happens. If these certain things happen, you have intraday drawdown. If this happens, this could, like, bro, it's just too much.
Is that confirmed though? The 6K thing?
I don't know. I haven't even looked at it. It just sounds confusing.
That's so whack.
No, here's what I think. I think Alpha Futures, because you said thanks, never getting Alpha Futures. I think Alpha Futures is good. Their live accounts are a bit tough though, to be honest. Because it's just like, bro, you feel like you have someone like just watching you 24/7. I don't like that. Because so when I had the accounts, when you got the accounts, you got to create a new Hotmail, and inside the Hotmail, there's like a personal one with the guy, like the guy who gave you the equity to trade, and also like a group thing. Bro, you know what they would do? Like, is chat. If you had like a red day, the guy would like call you out in the group chat. Like in front of everybody else, he's like, yeah, you're red today. This is not good. You should be doing this. And then also on the personal DMs, like the one-on-one things with the guy, like he'd hit you up randomly out of nowhere, like mid-trade, be like, oh yeah, I don't know what we're doing here. I'm gonna close this out. But that's just like, it is what it is.
Yeah, I just saw the tweet.
Hupatek. Talk about tech.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, buddy's cooked, bro.
Wait, does Trades by Ski already trade an offshore broker? Anyone know?
Yeah, I think all
that's
forex brokers are offshore, right?
Oh yeah, chat GG then. Yeah, GG. Yeah, G fucking G. There you go.
I don't think you're
G
legally
fucking
trade
G.
forex in the
No.
US,
G fucking G. No, it's done. It's done. There you go. He doesn't need to sell a course. You know why, chat? Because what he's doing right there makes 10 times more than what courses make. There you go. So as long as he keeps posting his Twitter posts and people believe him, he'll traffic or funnel them into that broker. And obviously all those people are new at trading. They'll lose all that money and he profits and pockets all that money. There's your answer. Top house. Yo, remember when they used to trade? Tops that used to trade on live and they used to have like a house account?
Oh my god, the house account used to be down millions, bro.
Chat, they would have they'd be up like 3K in a day and be like overzealous and making emails about it and sending it to like their users, their consumers. And then they would like lose 30K in a day and be like, oh yeah, it's just a red day. We take our losses, move on. Like, what? I think you still holding a little bit better here. We're definitely a little slow. I don't even want to. Look at that 15.
The price action is dead.
Kev, you're on stream. Real quick, just like type 1.5 on your keyboard on TradingView and just like click enter, and look at how it looks like.
1.5 and enter. Yep, looks like high probability action to me.
Yes, correct. Well, that is quite correct. Top step will always be the best. Yep. Top step's the best. Everyone wants the easiest fucking rules to keep them making. No. Deb, I'm not going to respond to that. There's a difference between sustainability, G, and fairness. Right? There's a difference there. Like here's my thing. Them adding a cap on payouts, completely fair. You know why? Because it installs some type of like risk management to where you have to manage that money. That's fine. But then the live account, like the live accounts make no sense. They just don't. With all the rules. I was overthinking it, but it's, to me, no bueno. It's like you get 20%. So you're telling me you get 20% of the money you already made, and in order to unlock the rest of the money that you already made, you have to do some certain things. Like that's not real trading.
Yes, exactly. It's not real trading. Good point.
Per chat, you go on a live account by yourself, self-funded. Like that's never a thing. I get you're using their capital, and I get you play by their rules, completely fair. But again, they already had a good system installed beforehand. Now it's just like, here's my thing, Dan. In my opinion, I think Top Step with their live account rules right now is worse than Apex in their prime with their rules, right? In my opinion. And you're still defending Top Step when Apex was getting all that shit they got, you know? So
I'll see, Josh. I gotta see how today ends. I do want to get a short swing, but I'm gonna be very careful when I do it. Don't want to get my back blown out by the market here. On a slow grind up. We have NFP tomorrow on a Wednesday, guys, so keep that in mind. That's why I think this PM session will be a little bit slower. We got big NFP. I'm just reading all the tweets about Top Step. Yeah, it's just cooked. Chop, 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 chop. Oh. This is the paint drying simulator, guys. Lanto. Lanto gone. The chop got to Lanto, guys.
said BRB. I'm back though.
I know. I think Globex though might be a little bearish, guys. Like the more, I mean, it depends if we fail at these highs again, because that data low still has my interest. Maybe later though, not right now. Obviously this 5 minutes still holding, this 15 minutes still holding, so nothing tells us yet. 100. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We are just retracing after last week. Last week was crazy. We're those relative equal lows on the daily chart, which kind of make me see what happens with them.
Dude, this
Take
is
them out or
actually
not.
so slow.
Yeah, it is.
Oof.
Yeah, I'm starving.
Next era of Top Step is here.
LOL.
Chat, the next era of Top Step's here. Let's go. I'm excited. 20% of my profits I make, I only get to keep. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
So that means if I make 100K, I only keep 20.
Yes, sir.
And if I blow that 20, that 80 gets wiped out too. Let's go. Bro, I didn't get my steps in yesterday. I was on the setup all day. I gotta like do double the steps today.
How many steps you try to get in per day?
10. 10K.
That's good. Damn.
This is disgustingly choppy.
Yeah, Lento, this is. I'll literally gonna text you.
This is so choppy. Yeah.
What's the eats for today, Lanto?
Same as usual. Probably rotisserie chicken and rice. Try to be healthy.
True. Yeah, for me, 1 win today and 1 break even. So far. Yo, am I even live still?
Are you?
I fucking shut down my YouTube studio thing. We're good.
Yeah, how many people were red today?
Yeah, I mean, it was a hard day.
Yeah.
It was a choppy day, mostly.
We'll be at a -2 if I get jabbed out here. -2 or. Yeah. Chop. Looking good initially, but now we're just back to chop. Does he look bored as hell? That's how he be. He bored as hell because he's making too much bread.
1 win and 4 break evens? Damn.
4 B's is crazy. That's better than taking a loss. I'm red today. Or some Cava. Nah, can't in PR. They don't have it in PR. Bro, PR is limited. Like in terms of like American places, it's all just PR food here. It's all like Spanish food. And it's like, it's very, I've tried a lot of different things, and I only like one place here in terms of their tacos. It's called Harry's Tacos.
Harry's Tacos.
Yeah. It's like simple, which is what I like.
Yeah.
I hate too complex. I hate food that's too complex. I'm on a whole nother level. I'm geeky. San Juan / Carolina has hella good food.
Yeah, you think this is a fake paid Trustpilot ad? Dude, Top Tip on Trustpilot got fucked, so like that shit's funny as fuck, bro. They're so cooked.
Is it humid there? No, not really. It's only humid when it rains. But yeah, usually when it's like sunny, it's never humid. But the thing with here, bro, is the forecast just changes every day. It's literally like, it's actually so cooked. Like the first couple weeks I was here was very consistent, but now it's just like some days are gonna rain, some days are not, and then you look back 2 days later, and it's like completely flipped.
Imagine
Yeah,
I
I'm
got
still on.
beat personally.
Yeah, I'm still in, still holding. Stops the smoke though. Dude, do you see like Alex G bet like money?
He streaked the field again.
No, apparently he bet money on him. Like he bet money that someone would streak the Super Bowl,
No
and he
way.
did it.
That's crazy.
But like, isn't that like, shouldn't that be
Insider-
like
I mean,
legal?
dude, Polymarket is a Wild West. Bro, you know what's crazy? Like they had his friend first went down, so they distracted the security guard, and then he took off.
That's
Bang
smart.
along the same. Yes, sir. Yeah,
Here's the thing though, is like how was he allowed back into the Super Bowl?
that's what I'm saying. He got banned forever now.
Yeah. Yeah. He should have got banned the first time. Dude, Drake, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Drake's like, I don't know how you're so bad at like picking teams to win, bro.
Yeah,
50-50.
seriously.
50-50 every time, and like, dude, yeah, it's cooked. This guy's, but don't they like ID you when you come in? Or am I tweaking? Not ID you, but like, bro, it could be anyone.
He was banned, just went undercover, bro. Hey, he had, I think on his body, he had like released the Epstein file or something.
No, it was like trade something.
It was trade on the front, and then on the back, it was released Epstein files. And Brian's back online.
Is he? Dude, he's been as active with us as he's been with you guys.
No, dead ass. If I don't see him in real life, I'm not seeing him these days.
Yeah, he's been super like chill, bro.
Take a break.
Yeah, you said he's super sick, so hopefully he feels better. It's good he's gonna come back, because if he came here sick, came back to the crib sick, I probably would be sick right now. Flip by short. Nah, I'm just gonna stay this conviction here and just move on if I get tagged out. which it looks like, obviously, price is
Oh,
just internalized.
me personally, chat, like this 5-minute went inversion on ES. I think if this trend line start breaking, we'll go. I want to fade Lantos bias, but we might. I feel like if we go a little bit lower than this, data lows is in play. Brian switched up on his day ones, guys.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. And stopped.
Oh my god, we kind of took off right there. That data low might be hit.
Do, 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 do.
This 5-minute inversion looks really good on ES, guys, for data lows. We're gonna wrap up here soon.
Yeah.
Lanto, you ready to call it?
Yeah.
Yeah, me personally, 1 win, 1 break even today. We'll be live again 9 a.m. Eastern. I've been starting 30 minutes earlier now, guys. I've been enjoying that more than coming into the market and kind of figuring everything. We're already watching pre-market and stuff like that. Oh wait, actually tomorrow we'll be live 8:30 a.m. Eastern because we have NFP. So we'll have NFP tomorrow. We'll watch that and then we'll go and trade off of open. Does that sound good, chat? Does that sound good? All right, Lanto, appreciate you being on. Chat, I'll catch you guys tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern for NFP. We'll get going. We'll trade some evals and stuff like that as well. Throw some in for news. And may the odds be in our favor. All right, peace and love. Peace and love.